Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You're starting now. Sign into Roblox on the website or mobile app and go straight to the search bar. Type the exact username. Partial names can return many results, so precision saves time. Once you locate the correct profile in results, open it. Make sure it's the person you intend to add by checking avatars or recent games. If you're on mobile, tap the profile. On desktop, click the username link to load their full page and reveal friend options. Now send the friend request. Locate the Add Friend button on their profile and click it. If Add Friend is missing or disabled, you can follow them, send a private message if allowed, or join the same game and invite them from the in-game menu. These actions increase the chance they'll notice. Once you hit Add Friend, Roblox sends a pending request. Make sure your privacy settings allow outgoing requests and check notifications or the Friends tab to confirm it's sent. Finish by monitoring notifications or the Friends requests list for acceptance. You'll get a confirmation when they accept. If the request doesn't appear or is blocked, double-check that your account isn't restricted, that you haven't exceeded friend limits, and that the username was correct. If problems persist, join a mutual game, group, or send a polite message asking them to accept. This often works when direct requests are disabled. One tip: clear cache or
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.